Hello guys, namaste, Pilda. How are you guys doing? Last Friday I posted a video about 9 uses of chal, and I got an interesting comment, and I really liked it, and it kind of inspired me. All the time your comments and your messages, emails has always uplifted me, always inspired me, and I'm thinking to share some of the beautiful comments, some of the beautiful stories with you over the next few days. So I'm going to read one of them, and if you have something you want to share with me, something something interesting, you know, something good that happened with your life or interesting happened with your life because of learning Hindi, or because of learning Hindi through my YouTube channel or languistan.com, anywhere. So I just want to spread the message that learning Hindi could be interesting and could be beautiful, and I just want to bring some of the stories. Okay, there is one little girl. I hope she's little in school. She's in school in Malaysia. I thought first she's from India, southern India. So name is Kirthana Nagini. She had commented, "Hi Priya, I am the first viewer. Congratulations. I want to tell you a good news. Last week on Friday there was a Sikh man, not Sikh like with a turban, who followed the Sikh religion. So people who follow the Sikh religion we call Sikh people. And was a man. So was a Sikh man at my school, and he was in need help. Then I go and talk to him in Hindi, and he can understand my Hindi. It's all because of you, and my Hindi has been improved. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मेरे भैया." And then I replied, "Oh dear sister Kirtana, la la la." So see, I mean, it's beautiful, right? So I know Hindi is like 11th most least, I will say 11th most famous language on internet. It's really bad statistics compared to what the number of speakers we have. It's 4th most spoken, but on internet it's really not famous. And also globally, I think the students who are learning Hindi is very little compared to other languages like French, German, Japanese, Chinese. Numbers are not really good, and it should be improved. So yeah, it's good. And I've been reading your comments. Balsdeep Singh, you are still a boss, really. Satyam Bhaiya, hi Satyam Pradeshi. Anil, this was a super helpful video. Much appreciation from Chicago. Whoa, that's where my real sister, my sister just older than me, she lives there. We have a little niece also, she's there. Johanna from Costa Rica, come on. Oh, Virginia Bradley, I know her for many years. Excellent video. And Mohammed Safi, more upload. Oh, we have more than, we had actually more than 900 videos uploaded. I had to made some private because they were really bad quality. Soraldina Heredia, I also know you for a very long time. This was a great video. Thank you, Anil. Merna Berto, I'm from Egypt, and this video was inspired from an Egyptian friend. I mean, I'm very happy that you guys are enjoying my video lessons. If you have anything to share with me, always feel free. Write me at anil@languistan.com, and if you're looking for some intensive online Hindi speaking course, you should also check out languistan.com. I know for some people it could be tricky by the budget, but if you can afford, you can sign up with the program, because it is costing a lot of time, energy, and a lot of people's work. It's not only me. A team has gathered to prepare that content, so the price is little at the moment, but with the time it's going to increase. So yeah, keep learning, keep enjoying Hindi, and if you have anything to ask, always feel free to write me. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.